Is that a girl or is that a boy?
A girl.
I think the name should be Valentina.
Valentina.
I think the name should be. I think she is Black Cathy.
Bakati. Okay, continue.
I think. Is that a girl?
Boy.
Boy?
Yeah.
I don't think so. Blackpink?
Blackpink. Blackpink.
His name, I think, should be. Can I skip?
No. You cannot. You cannot.
A girl or is that a boy?
A boy. A cat.
I think is Flying Monkey.
Flying monkey.
She's a girl, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
A girl.
So her name is Maya.
Maya. Not bad.
Oh. Are they twins?
No. They're not.
She's a girl, right?
Yes.
So
She is.
her name is Misha.
Misha. That's
Misha.
Oh,
What is that?
a snake.
That's a snake.
That's a snake.
It look. All of them. They are like cats. Cats with no feet, with no limbs. So I think his name is Luffy. That's a boy, right?
Yes, that's a boy.
He looks like
Radio demon.
he looks like a failure magician from hell. So his name should be McDuffie.
Okay. Next.
Is that a girl or a boy?
A boy.
Or in between?
A boy.
So a boy,
King of
I think he's in between. So I will name that boy Michaeli. Michaeli or Valentino. What's that? It's is that the girl or the boy?
Boy.
Boy. So why are they all wearing pink?
I don't know.
What are they?
Sinners.
They are sinners or they are party people going to Valentine party? I think the name is Cupid. Cupid from hell. Cupido.
Okay.
Oh, what's that?
TV head.
TV. That character looks like he came from, what is that? The Skibidi toilet. So I think the name is Skibido. Mr. TV.
Okay, next.
Is that a girl?
Girl.
So the name of that girl, I think, Roxanne. Am I right?
No. Next.
Next. Oh, that looks familiar. I think, is that the grandma?
Grandma.
We better call her Itchel. I think that's her name.
No.
Itchel.
No.
Or Maymay.
No.
I think so.
No.
Oh, next. Oh, what is that?
She came from heaven.
She came from heaven? I don't think so.
Yes.
Why she's black? She look like a failure clown. Is that a girl?
A girl.
So I will name her. I think the name is Gia. Am I right?
No. Not even a bit. Okay, next.
What is that
Ahem,
thing?
ahem. He
Is
came
that-
from heaven.
Oh, he came from heaven.
He. It's
So
a
the
guy.
name should be King Samuel.
King Samuel.
King Samuel.
Oh my.
Or Zam. King Samuel. Am I right?
No. Okay, next.
She looks so ugly. Is she also came from heaven?
No. She came from hell na.
She looks old, fatty lady. Am I right? So I think I will
Really?
name her Ini.
Hindi.
Ini.
Oh, no. Next.
What is that thing? She
Angel.
looks like a she looks like a rejected character from Frozen. So I think her name is that an angel also?
Angel. Yes.
Yes, so I think her name should be
Should be.
Anjali.
Okay. Next. This is
Next. What is that?
She came from
thing?
hell.
That is very obvious. So I
Obvious.
think her name is Margaret.
Margaret.
Am I right?
No.
What are those?
Next.
She came from heaven.
Yes.
So her name should be Rosette.
Okay. Next. She came.
From in between heaven and hell.
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Wait, how did you know?
Yes. Because I think she's quite evil and she's quite good. So
Oh,
she's a hypocrite. So her name is Midelia.
Midelia.
Midelia. Am I
Where
right?
are you getting those names from?
Midelia. In the middle of heaven and hell. So her name is Midelia.
Wow. Okay.
Okay.
Reveal
I
characters. I'll reveal all the.
You made me stupid.
This is Charlie Morningstar, then Baggy, Angel Dust, Husker, Nifty, Cherry Bomb, Serpentious, Alastor, Lucifer, Morningstar. Then this is
Morningstar?
This is
It came from your eyes. You know, the dirt from your eyes is called Morningstar.
Oh my god. Valentino, then Vox, Velvet, Carmilla, Loot, Adam. This is Mimsy, Emily, Rosie, Sarah, Lilith,